Hi friends, good morning. Today we'll concentrate on our next Kotlin tutorial. On that, we'll concentrate on dialogues. So first we'll start with the alert dialog. So that is a predefined dialog. So I'm creating here now alert dialog Kotlin. So I'm creating the project name as alert dialog Kotlin. So just I created a project. So we'll see how it should happens. Dialog. Just will click the button and this. So add this here. See, just project has created. Now I want to drag and drop into this one button. Then we'll see this. Still this project is creating. So once this project is created, we can able to see this. See, this project has created. Here now I want to take this one. So I want to remove this. Here I want to change this as a linear layout. So vintage vertical. Then I want to drag and drop into one button here. So I drag and drop one button here. So this button title I'm changing as alert dialog. Alert dialog. Then here I'm writing this alert dialog. So this I want to write this alert dialog. Now I want to use this in this. I want to write this dialog for this. So how can I write this as usually? Just I want to give this listener for this. So that is alert dialog something. So what we define there. So that is alert dialog from the XML dot set on click listener. Set on click listener. Then now here I want to declare this alert dialog. But normally in Java we'll declare this alert dialog dialog something. Here it should be little bit different. So either you can use the val key or var key. I'm using the val alert dialog. So it's a normal. This is a declaration word. So now there is no, when you are defining here in this, there is no. Normally in Java, how we can define alert dialog, something alert dialog equal to, we'll write new alert dialog. But here no that, no new, and this could be in a reverse. So here alert dialog dot builder. I'm building one dialog here, context. So that context is nothing but here this at the rate main activity. So just I'm defining this main activity like this. Then after this I want to set some title for this. So that is alert dialog. So alert dialog dot set title. These all are common. Set title. Hello. Good morning. Something I'm setting the title here. Then same way I want to set this message. So set message. Here also we can set this message. So how are you? Just I want to check this. Then after this here, now I want to add three buttons. One is the positive button. So how can I add this positive button here? So positive button I want to add here. Now that positive button is here, alert dialog dot set positive button. So in this, it's a positive button. Just I want to write here this positive button. Just a minute. Dot set positive button. Positive button which includes listener here. So that listener includes listener. This one here, I say this as here I want to write this message something. I write this message as yes. So message as yes. Then this outside of this, I want to write this as here it should has the return type as this. So now within this, I want to write here simply the toast dot make text. Here it's a context. This at the rate main activity, and just I'm writing this as yes. Then here I'm writing this toast dot length long or short, then dot show. Done. So like same, now I want to create one more button, that is native button. So all we need to write native button this, then we can write this here native button. First don't we forget this. Whenever we create dialogues, must and should you need to write dot show. Don't forget this dot show, otherwise dialogue cannot be displayed. Now I want to write this here native button. So if we are writing this native button, and after native button we'll write another button that is in a neutral button. So already we know that in a predefined dialog, maximum we can write only three buttons and two text. That we are doing here. Again I'm writing here this alert dialog dot set. So here I want to display, then here so dialog. So here now I want to show this toast dot make text. Here this at the rate, this at the rate main activity. So then here I want to display no, then here I want to display length, finally dot show this. Then after here one more last button which is neutral. So same way alert dialog dot set neutral button. So alert dialog dot set neutral button. So here also I want to display something. I am writing cancel. Then here also I'm like this. Then here I want to write here so here I want to write the toast. So toast dot make text. Here I want to write this at the rate main activity. So this at the rate main activity. Then here I want to write cancel. Then here I want to display this toast dot length long, finally dot show. So now I want to run this program. We'll see here what is happens here now, how is the output of this. So this is the way we are declaring this like this. So just a minute, I'm opening this visor to show this output. Already it's run in my mobile. So just I want to open this visor. So this is the way means we are using this alert dialog. We can create only the few things that should be here this. Apart from this, we cannot create anything on this alert dialog. Because of that, normally we are going with this custom dialog. So that about this custom dialog, how to create that, we can see in our next programs. Just a minute, visor is opening. Yeah, it's opened. So now I want to open my mobile. See here, now I'm clicking on this. It is saying this 3. Once I click on this, yes, no, then cancel like this. So this is about this alert dialog that is predefined. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates.